So let's talk about creating a program in C# version 10 and .NET version 6 versus C# version 9 and .NET version 5. So I'm gonna go ahead and create a console application, and I'm gonna call it example 5 because this is going to be using .NET version 5. Click on next, and it's going to say the .NET version 5, which is out of support. Select that and click on create. As you can see, so the program is simple. There is the method main, and main is the main entry point for a program. So if you're a programmer, you have to remember that you can write code, but in order for this code to execute, it has to have an entry point, and this entry point is main. This main method has to be in a class because C# is an object-oriented programming language, and a pure one, which means that any program or any method, has to be inside a class. And this class is inside a namespace, which is this one. Now let's compare this approach to the new .NET version 6. So new project, I'm gonna go with console application and say example, and I'm just gonna say 6 over here, and it's gonna create a new solution, and next, and I'm gonna go to 6 over here and create. So the huge difference is that I only have this line over here. I don't have a main to it. I don't have a class or a namespace. And if I execute, so if I go ahead and execute, this program is going to execute without any issue. So where is main and where is the class? So what happens is actually the compiler creates the container for it, creates an entry point, which is main, but it's going to be called differently. And the compiler does all the job for you and all the work for creating an executable application. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments.